Hi, I'm Danielle Cook and I want to welcome you to Cooking with the Cook Sisters, brought to you by the United States Botanic Garden. I will be with you every week for as long as the U.S. Botanic Garden is unable to offer its usual on-site programming. Today, we're working with blueberries, and we'll also pay a visit to the other cook sister, Adrienne, and we'll see what's going on in her blueberry world. Let's get started. Today's recipe is a classic blueberry clafoutis. It's a great recipe that you can also use with all kinds of summer fruits, cherries, plums, and even in the fall, you could make this with apples and pears.
Start by sprinkling your fruit with 2 or 3 tablespoons of sugar. Taste the berries first to see how much you'll need. Set them aside and let them macerate for about 10 minutes. 5 heaping tablespoons of flour, 4 of sugar, 3 of milk, 2 of oil, and 1 egg. Easy to remember. Mix it well, and then we do need to add a tablespoon of baking powder and a little bit of salt. The batter should be very, very thick. Optionally, you can add a little vanilla extract or almond extract. Butter your pan really well and add the batter, and then add your berries. Push the berries into the batter so everything gets distributed evenly. Bake at 350 for 15 minutes while you make the topping. And that is 1 egg, 4 teaspoons of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of melted butter. After 15 minutes of baking, your clafoutis will just have begun to set. And add your topping, distribute it evenly, and put the pan back in the oven for another 20 to 25 minutes until nicely golden brown. I love this with whipped cream.
Again. Oh, hi. I'm Adrienne. Welcome to my garden. Today we're going to be picking blueberries and talking about growing them. This is a high bush blueberry plant called silver cloud. It's high because, as you can see, it's tall. It's inside a cage because critters love blueberries just as much as we do. And this whole tree or bush would be decimated of their ripe blueberries if we didn't have it inside a good cage.
Blueberries are low maintenance plants. After they bloom in May, come the berries. Harvest begins in late June and goes into July. If you mulch your blueberries, you'll keep the weeds down and maintain even moisture. Once in a blueberry moon, we get a visiting toad. Every couple of years in the fall, you'll want to prune your blueberry bush. Remove the taller branches that don't bear fruit. Are we ready for breakfast?
Thanks for joining us. We'll be back next week to talk about eggplant.